robots are used in a wide variety of fields and industries, as they are capable of performing tasks that are difficult, dangerous, or repetitive for humans. Here are some of the main usage categories for robots. Manufacturing. Robots are commonly used in manufacturing for tasks such as assembly, welding, painting, and material handling. They can work continuously without breaks and perform precise tasks with high accuracy. Healthcare. Robots are increasingly being used in healthcare settings, such as hospitals and clinics, for tasks such as surgery, patient monitoring, and medication dispensing. Exploration. Robots are used for space exploration and deep-sea exploration, where it would be dangerous or impossible for humans to go. They can collect data, conduct experiments, and perform maintenance tasks. Agriculture. Robots are used in agriculture for tasks such as planting, harvesting, and crop monitoring. They can help improve efficiency and reduce labor costs. Military. Robots are used in military settings for tasks such as bomb disposal, reconnaissance, and surveillance. Types of robots. Industrial robots. These are used in manufacturing and other industrial settings for tasks such as assembly, welding, and painting. Service robots. These are used in healthcare, hospitality, and other service-oriented settings to perform tasks such as cleaning, cooking, and transportation. Educational robots. These are used in schools and educational settings to teach students about robotics and programming. Military robots. These are used by the military for tasks such as reconnaissance, bomb disposal, and surveillance. Space exploration robots. These are used for space exploration and research, such as the Mars rover. Entertainment robots. These are used for entertainment purposes, such as theme park attractions and robotic pets. Agricultural robots. These are used in agriculture for tasks such as planting, harvesting, and crop monitoring.